Good afternoon, sir. I'm Charmer Taray from Geonaip section, and I will discuss you the assignment. This is the correcting and uncorrecting compasses. So we have see the example number 1. The question is, your course is 1890. The variation is 5 degrees east. Then the deviation is 2 degrees west. What is your PSC or per ship course compass and compass error? To calculate this, sir, we have the given. So the T is, put the T 189. The variation is, put the B 5 degrees east. Put the M. So we have to calculate to find the magnetic. So we have to calculate the T and B. So the variation is we have to minus. So 189 minus 5 degrees is 4. So you have to put the magnet 4. So put the division to calculate. So the division is 2. The magnetic is 189. You have to put 184. Okay, 189 minus 5 is 184. The division is 2 degrees. You have to put 2 degrees west. So we have to plus. Okay, westman. So we have to calculate M and D, magnet and the division. So we have to plus 184 plus 2 degrees is 186. So we have the course. Then put the variation 5 degrees east here. This we have to calculate compass error to show the result, the compass error. You have to put variation. This variation is 5 degrees east. And we have to put the division. So the division is 2 degrees